Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track thank you page using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be basically setting up the thank you page event for this landing page. Okay. So if you come to this landing page, then you will see there is a form available here. So whenever I submit the form, then it will be redirecting me to a thank you page. And I want to track this using Google Tag Manager and send as one of our GA4 lead events. Okay, so let's do that. So I have already connected Google Tag Manager with this landing page and set up the necessary event like Google Tag and all the GA4, all the necessary GA4 events. And additionally, I have set up or created a GA4 property. Okay, perfect. So first of all, let's create a trigger. Okay, so before creating a trigger, let's preview this because we need to submit this form and go to the thank you page first. Then we'll be able to create the trigger. So I'll be providing the landing page URL over here, and I'll hit connect. Perfect. Then I'm gonna submit my information. For example, be choosing Google Ads Management, and I need Google Ads monthly management service. Okay, then I'll click on should write management. Sorry. So I'll be clicking on getting tasks. Then you'll see it will be redirecting me to a thank you page. So I'm gonna copy this URI and go to the trigger section. So I'll make a new trigger and I can name it as thank you page trigger or lead trigger if you want. Lead page trigger. Then I'll be choosing page view, some page view, then page URL contains /thank you. Okay, so I'll hit send. Then I'll go to the tag section and I can copy one of the tags. For example, this one. Then I'll be modifying the tags. I'll click on copy and then I will modify the tag like this GA4 event. Or later we can write this. Okay, and the event name will be generate relate. Then I'll not be passing any event parameters, and as the triggering, I'll be trigger it as thank you page trigger. Okay, perfect. So I have done the implementation. Now I need to debug and test. So before debugging, I'll go to the analytics debug view section so that I can see this event real time from the analytics. Okay, so let's preview it. So it is previewing. I'll hit continue. Just wait a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now I'll submit the form. Google Ads service. So I'm going to click on getting tasks. So I have come to the thank you page. Let's go to there. GA4 event lead has fired. from the tag assistant. Now let's go to the analytics. We should see this event. Okay, just wait a little bit. It might take some while. Okay, so you can see a generated event as fired and coming in the debug view. So yeah, that's it for this video. So hopefully you have understood how we can create the thank you page trigger, and using this trigger how we can create a GA4 lead event. Okay, so uh, after finishing the task, you can submit the changes. Okay, so I'm submitting the changes. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Have a nice day. And additionally, if you need any services for your business, whether it is service-based business or e-commerce business, then you can contact us. If you want, you can come to our landing page URL and take our services. So we provide Google Ads services, whether it is monthly management or one-time setup, meta ads management setup, web analytics, server-side tagging, Locker Studio reporting. Okay, so please let me know if I can be a partner of yourself and your business. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.